Hi, I'm Angela Baldanza, chef and owner of Bistro Baldanza in Darien, Connecticut, along with my husband Sandy and my son Alex. And today I'm going to show you how to make our signature beet salad, which is literally our #1 selling salad. And beets are so healthy and great antioxidants for the body. So here you can see all of our beautiful ingredients, and the beauty of this salad is all the wonderful color and texture. So let me get started. The following is a list of the Baldanza beet salad. Red beets, mixed color cherry tomatoes, French cut string beans, fennel, oranges, Gala apples, toasted pistachios, goat cheese. You're going to need to have one of these 3-inch round rings to build it in this beautiful mold, but I'm going to start with the inside first. We're going to add julienne apples, so it's nice little shapes like a long 1-inch sliver. I'm going to add chopped string beans. I'm going to add toasted pistachios, and we toast them in a little bit of butter. I'm also adding our Medjool Dates, and that adds a nice bit of sweetness to the salad. For color, I have our cherry tomatoes, and that will be a nice mixture with our house-made dressing, olive oil, mustard, salt, and pepper. Okay, so we'll mix that here in the bowl all together with the dressing, and then we'll start to build right now in the mold. I have chopped beets, and they're just gorgeous. And you can use red and golden beets if you like. Right now I'm just using red beets, and you just kind of pack it in really nicely into the mold. It makes an absolutely beautiful presentation. And then of course we are going to put some of the beets around the outside, the perimeter of the dish. So make sure you pack it in really well. And then we're adding our dressing to the beets. The mixture that I've made here, we're just going to place on top. And again, make sure you try to pack it as nice and tight as possible so that when you lift up the mold, everything holds together really well. So I'm just packing this in. And as I was saying earlier, beets are so great for your body. They really are. They help with blood pressure, bringing it down. They're also wonderful antioxidants. And they're really in season right now, so they're easy to get. Okay, so that's all in there, packed down nicely. And then what we like to do with the extra is just take it and scatter it around the dish for color. Okay, then I'm going to take some of the pistachios and add those. And what's really nice for crunch here is shaved fennel. So we're going to put some shaved fennel, and that's a wonderful, wonderful root vegetable that's really good for your digestion. And then what's lovely too is adding your citrus wedges on the outside. I like to do 3, so that adds a nice little touch of color. And then what we do is we take our goat cheese and we add it to the top. So you have your protein and all your veggies, and then just lift up your mold, and there you have an absolutely beautiful beet salad. And the one thing you can do here too is make it a full meal. You could add gorgeous grilled chicken if you'd like. You can also add grilled shrimp, and it's a full meal. I'm adding a little bit more of the mixed color cherry tomatoes for color, and here you have it. So dinner for 2 is served at Bistro Baldanza. Enjoy.